Made it to the beach. We're here just today just to chill for a few hours before we leave.
It's windy.
Windy AF. It's like the only thing on the weather forecast for the next week is just wind. So let me know what that means. But today we're going to Naxos. So we're leaving in a few hours. And we gonna chill until then, do some Sudoku. I hide a little treasure in there. Hello. We're on the ferry going from Santorini to Naxos today. It's been a windy ride and I'm hungry.
Same.
And cold and everything is gross. Our laundry is so disgusting. We haven't washed it in a month or so.
Like in forever, and we keep looking for laundry places, and it's ridiculous how they don't have
So
any.
expensive or they don't have any.
Yeah.
And then we're like, oh, we're not staying somewhere long enough to have it dry. So we're just all wearing gross clothes so wet we shower, we put on gross clothes, and we get on this gross ferry where there's like mist at us and wind. Dinner is served. We have some veggies, some pasta, some lentils, and a little sauce. We made it all in one burner with one pot. That is nice. And this is our new Airbnb from a Greek lady named Maria. It's super cute. We're here for 3 days in Naxos. Oh, we're so happy. We just tipped the laundromat, man. Because we have not had, look, 2-in-1, folded, dried, beautiful big mama.
Yes.
We have not done laundry for so long. We've been disgusting. Today, we're talking about the worst part of our day, and for both of us, it was just feeling so disgusting to the breaking point of like not being able to find a laundromat for a week or however long. Wearing so many dirty things. We each only have like a few shirts and stuff, so you just wear them, and it's so gross.
No underwear, which is also very unsatisfying.
Very unsatisfying. So, oh, it's literally such a highlight of my week that we have clean. Everything is clean. Are you awake?
No, der anvertrauen konnte. Ich habe mich nur gefragt, ob noch jemand wissen könnte, dass ich hier bin. Jemand von außerhalb? Sie lachte. Bisher ist noch keiner von denen, die sich hier versteckt haben, gefunden worden.
We walked to Apollo's temple and it let him in back in the day. Hello, little baby. What are you doing up there? Should we touch it? Oh, it's sleeping. No. Oh, it's so cute. Walking around Naxos, going to a traditional bakery.
We got a traditional bread and...
Please.
Taste test. What a beautiful ring you have, my darling.
Someone just proposed to me.
Playing song, but I can't rip it.
Bye. Walking through a little cave here. Good thing we're all not that tall, or else we wouldn't even fit.
Did you hear that goes?
Window 1 over 5
Just walking along here when we find this poster. It tells us tonight at 7:30 there's a thing, free local wines, drinks, refreshments, movie night at the Venetian Castle, and so we're gonna go. Living like locals is just the goal all the time. Wooby's been dreaming about being invited into a Greek person's house to have some local food. It has not happened, so this is close enough. So our house is already gross. Her Coke just exploded all over our bed. My chocolate's all over the bed. We have crumbs all in the bed. Whoopi's cookie was smushed into the floor. There's like chocolate everywhere. So gross. The floor is constantly wet and dirty. Got some native birds here.
I'm the native bird.
We came to movie night. The one from earlier. Oops. So it's 10 euros. We come here to this nice theater.
Got a little wine.
We get free drinks. And it's a 2.5-hour movie, so this is gonna be a good time. It's just
awkward.
It's just
Movies
us
making
here.
an Instagram story as well.
This is awkward. If
at
you
the
please
same
get in my
time.
vlog at the moment. We have our friend George hooking us up. Breaking Wooby.
You know what to do. Excitation loose.
We're gonna give him a little outfit. See if he'll put it on. I'm sitting here eating my chocolate.
Fatty. Kidding. Oh my god, you guys, do you want to see my new top maybe that I bought today? Little shopping haul. So this is the new top, but as you can see, it doesn't have any back, which is very beautiful. I just modeled for my friends. I had 3 different pants on. We liked none of them except for one, which was the 4th option and the 1st option anyways. Stay tuned if you see that outfit on me. If you do, thumbs up.